eastern areas clearing away.
Next year starting the way that this year is going to end, with little areas of low pressure continuing to rush across the country. Now today it was the turn of Britain to join in with the floods that have affected many parts of Europe. Hardly surprising when you see some of the rainfall totals there. Southsea, for instance, 50 millimetres, which is getting on for 2 inches, and that fell in a very short space of time. Now that heavy rain showed up around about dawn in the West Country, and then it rushed across these southernmost counties during the course of the day, finally clearing the extreme southeast around about 6 o'clock this evening, and now we find quite a packet of showers beginning to rush in to the west. So it's going to be a showery night, especially in the west and in the north. Some of those showers quite heavy and turning wintry. Not all that many showers coming through to eastern areas, but we are going to have a problem because there's going to be a fair breeze keeping up during the course of the night, and as the clouds come across and even those showers, so temperatures are going to be sort of up and down like a yo-yo. But I think in many northern parts of the country they will dip below freezing from time to time to give some icy patches on those roads. Tomorrow's chart sees us in that run of west to southwesterly winds. They're going to be showery ones, a fair number of showers coming through to many parts of the country, some of them quite heavy, merging into longer spells of rain. Perhaps not all that many coming through to central and eastern areas, at least not to begin with, but even there I think there will be some during the course of the day, and the odd heavy one, hail and thunder thrown in for good measure, especially near to western coast. With it being a fairly breezy day and those showers, it will, if anything, feel rather on the cold side, even though those temperatures are just about the normal for the time of year. Back to square one as far as 94 is concerned on New Year's Day. Another weather front rushing in from the Atlantic. It starts fine and frosty in many parts, especially in the north and in the east, but then during the course of the day we are going to find wind and rain coming in from the west, and as that rain moves up in towards northern parts of the country, so in a good few places it'll turn to sleet or snow. Could be some fair old falls of snow, I think, on those northern hills, especially the Scottish ones. And this unsettled mixture continues for the following few days with rain at times.